Y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a DIY hair treatment that I do on my hair once every 3 months, and I just want to share with you guys what I do to keep my hair hydrated and moisturized, because my hair is prone to dryness, especially in the winter months. So right here I just have my glass bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and empty out my mayonnaise. You did not know what mayonnaise does for your hair. It has fatty acids in it that helps to restore your hair, especially in the winter months. If your hair is prone to dryness or brittleness, mayonnaise is going to help to restore that and help lock in that moisture even longer. I know you're probably thinking like, girl, why you don't just use a deep conditioner? Girl, I do this once every 3 months. I found that using this method just with just natural organic products, it helps to lock in the moisture even more faster than using any deep conditioner or anything like that. So, and I've been using this method for about 8 years now at this point, and it has been doing justice for me, especially in those winter months. So yeah, right here we're just gonna go ahead and crack open a egg. I only use the yolks and the eggs, and that reason is because eggs are packed with the ingredients and nutrients that our hair loves. Yolk has vitamins A and E in it. It also has healthy fats in it, and it also includes iron. All of these factors that help promote hair growth. So you want to make sure that you at least have the yolk in there. If you want to have the rest of the part in there, the whites in there, you can do so, but I only focus on the yolk because that's where the main fatty, all those goodness gracious is going to be at. Next, you're going to add your favorite oils to the mixture. In my case, I'm going to be using our Secret Farmer hair growth oil. Now, you don't have to use our oil, but sis, if you want to, go right on ahead. I'm not stopping you. The link is in our bio. But you can use oils like grapeseed oil, avocado oil, even olive oil. Those oils are also going to be rich in their ingredients and are going to help with this mixture. But right here, I'm just going to mix everything up so the oil is well blended in with the mayo and the eggs. This will take a little bit of time just because you don't want everything to be separating, but once you have your mixture all mixed in together, it'll look something like this. It's not supposed to be too thick or too watery, but just the right consistency to where you can put it in your hand and put it on your scalp without it running over. Alright, y'all, do not come for me in these comments. My hair is like halfway matted, halfway neglected. I've been literally rocking this ponytail for the past week and a half, and y'all, yeah, it's well overdue for this treatment. But yeah, right here I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair off into 4 sections, so that way it's easier for me to apply the product to my hair. And just because it is all tangled all over the place, it's just going to help me just to maneuver even better. Alright, so here's another glimpse of the treatment. I'm just going to go ahead and start applying it to my hair section by section, making sure that I'm parting in between as well of the big sections that I've made, just so that I make sure that the entire mixture is coated on my entire hair. And I'm going to go ahead and speed past this part because it's pretty much self-explanatory. Just adding the product to your hair, making sure that it is saturated from root to tip, and just making sure that you're parting in between these big parts just to make sure that your entire hair is saturated. Alright, so this is what was left in the bowl, and right here I'm just going to go ahead and add me on a shower cap to my hair and let this sit in for at least 25 minutes. I'm also going to add in our new release Valentine's Day bonnets. The roses are red bonnet to my head, so that way I'm just not walking around with a shower cap on my head. At least I can walk around the house in style for 20 to 25 minutes. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and let that sit on my hair, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what it looks like. Alright y'all, so it's been about 25 minutes since I've had this in. I'm just going to go ahead and take my bonnet off and also this shower cap and show you guys what it's looking like so far. My hair does feel just a little bit weighed down, but that is normal just because of the mayo and the eggs. It's going to give you that weighed down feeling, but it's no worries. It won't change your curl pattern or anything like that. But yeah, this is what it looks like once I take it off out the shower cap for at least 25 minutes. I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse all of this stuff out my hair, and then I'll come back and show you guys the results. Alright y'all, this is what my hair looks like once I rinsed out the treatment and also blow dried it out just a little bit. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and also let me know what videos you guys want to see next. This is the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next.